What's up guys, it's the ceiling. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna check out the new rocket launcher. Yeah, let's go. Might think, what you mean new rocket launcher? Yeah, there's a new secret update that Animal Company just added. And we're gonna go check it out. Let's go grab a grappler. Right there, not this one. Yes, sir. Oh no, actually, what's this? Two normal crossbows. Yes, perfect. No! No! How did that happen? How did I... Bruh. Let me... Bruh. Let me go back. Yes, please let me go back. I want that thing. Nah, I'm just doing it like this. I'm just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna leave the game and rejoin. And then let's try that again, but then without actually getting in that machine. So annoying.
Guys, okay. Guys, I know you guys want it. The gun I dropped of the new item is it was kind of empty.
Guys, join my fan code. That's it. Okay, now we can get way easier everywhere. Hopefully this time. Without actually teleporting in. That. Let's go. Yes, sir. It worked. Now let's go check out the new update. I heard it was around a place that I know. No! He did it. This is it. The new egg launcher RPG. Oh wait. Let me get. So, should I buy this? Nah, it's pretty useless. Crap! I won't buy that. Ooh, luckily. Bruh. Kamehameha. What should I buy? For 3. No. 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 Umbrella maybe, then I can unlock all the other things? Or no? I don't know, maybe we just save for the new update. Okay, so what we are gonna be doing is testing this new RPG out for ultimate destruction with style. Of course, new ammo. So let's actually buy this thing. That's how much money I got. It's pretty long. Maybe I can fit inside. Maybe I can launch myself. Let's try that. No, it won't work. Okay, let's just grab. Let's go. Let's go, ogre. Yeah. Yoink. Whee! Oh, ogre's right there. It has special ammo, so. Wait, what? Let me grab this. Hey, ogre! What you want, boy? Wait, what? It's cluster grenades. Way! Let's go, we killed ogre. Crap, that don't work. Way, let's go. We killed chicken. Oh, help, I'm getting attacked by chickens. Let's just... I didn't hit a single one. Let's just wait for ogre. Ogre! If I see ogre, I'm shooting him down like boom! And then boom! Ogre, say bye-bye! How's bro not dead? Crap. Oh! Oh! He's worst aim in the game. Let me go over here and then boom! Okay, so I do think the normal RPG is better. Because it just has more range. This one only is cluster grenades, bro. I can just use crossbow with cluster grenades. And that's the same thing as this. Or rocket launcher, it's just more expensive. Pretty useless. So let's check it out. I'm gonna test the two out. Which one is better? Let me actually get the RPG. Yeah. Need the ammo. Okay, so let's see. Normal. massive. This one. More. It's not that big. Not that big of an explosion. Wait a second. What? Wait. What? Oh, I think I'm the first YouTuber to find this out. You can put normal RPG ammo in this rocket launcher, and you can put eggs into the normal rocket RPG. What? Nah. What? Ooh. Okay, so I guess we're the only ones who know this. I don't know if other people know this, but boom. What? Okay. Let's go to a normal code. To a no PvP code. And then just show this to people, I guess. Yo, guys, have you guys got
Giving away a free gold revolver. Giving away a free gold revolver.
You guys got the new RPG?
No.
Gold revolver right there.
Yo, I'm about to buy something awesome.
Gold revolver.
Just look, bro. And I got the new ammo.
I just
I got the new ammo.
Who just wanna trade for
Hey, my bro. Why, Polar Bear, you can put these eggs on normal RPGs.
I know.
Whoa!
Here.
That looks so funny!
Yeah. Can I eat one?
Yo, who wants this?
Yeah!
Who wants this?
I added you.
Yeah.
Yo,
Why'd you try to kill
yo,
him?
bro. Come. You wanna trade for this, right?
It's no PvP loading.
Bro! Dog.
Can I have one?
Oh my god,
Dog, you wanna trade for this, right?
Let's go in a normal code. This
Who
uses
just wanna trade for this?
random PvP code, and then we're gonna kill people with this new RPG.
Anyone have galaxy eggs?
I really want.
I have to go to Planetarium to open it.
Does anyone have galaxy eggs?
Wait, how did you steal it?
What
You
galaxy
hacker.
eggs? Bug.
How did you steal it?
Who said they have galaxy
Give it
eggs?
back. Nah.
Who said they have galaxy eggs?
I
Yes, sir.
Can somebody give me a galaxy? Can somebody give me one galaxy egg?
Ooh, boom.
I'll
Put
give
your
you
hand up if you
give
said
you
you have.
galaxy
Put
gold
your hand up if
revolver.
you have a galaxy egg.
Whoever can give me a galaxy egg gets a galaxy gold revolver.
Yeah, 10 times.
Hey guys.
Yes. Guys, jump into the crate.
Yo, wanna trade?
Okay.
Wanna trade, bro? Wanna trade?
Yeah, sure.
I'm
this?
jumping. Alright.
Yes.
Okay.
How you get that? What's this?
How'd you get that?
Hey, I sold that. Is that good? Is that good? I sold it.
You sold it?
Yeah. What does it even do? Shoot it.
Can we get
The hell?
cost to get a gun?
Yeah, just look.
Who wants a gun?
No, I have a gun, please.
Here.
Or grappers.
Guys,
Here.
someone gave me this.
Here.
This where?
You need it? You need it?
Guys,
Here.
is this where? Someone gave me it.
I'll give you a
Is it
grappler.
where?
I'll-
It is
Thank you.
Saturday.
Bro, I'm new. Let me stick my
Someone
second
said,
one.
someone said,
I'll give you a grappler.
Someone
I'll
said
give you a
it's a hacker.
grappler.
That's really rare. Don't get that way. Do not get that way. That's really rare. You should sell it.
Yeah, I don't know
Sell
if
for
that
a lot
is,
of money.
Money?
Don't sell it. Don't
How
sell
go
it.
selling it for money?
It's really
Ollie,
rare.
Ollie,
Don't sell it.
I'm supplied, bro. I'm trying to kill the
Sell it?
client.
Wait, what you mean you can sell it?
Revolver and a grappler.
You can
Stop,
sell
don't
it?
sell it.
I got
This new egg RPG is overpowered.
it.
Look at it, bro.
Let's be my Pokemon trainer.
That's where someone also gave me this key.
It's firework.
Why don't you be
Bro,
my
they're really
Pokemon
rare.
trainer?
Bro, they're really rare.
That won't be very nice.
Yo, I want to be a Pokemon trainer.
Okay.
They gave me a full
do
bag of
Pokemon
steel.
roleplay.
No, that's
Yeah.
really rare. That's actually really
And I
rare.
figure out how to use
Yeah, I
Anyone
wanna.
do Pokemon
a
roleplay.
I
Tekka
wanna.
Okay. You want this free grappler?
Nah, I got this.
Ooh. What's this free grappler?
Nah.
Anyone want it? Go.
Okay, are we going to go in a code or something?
Yeah, and I'll add you.
Yeah.
Be with me.
As a child, I yearned for the mines.
The code is VIQ if somebody wants to.
A child, you.
The code is VIQ if somebody wants to join in a private wall.
I'll join you.
Who has Galaxy eggs? It's VIK. VIK.
Hey, join me.
Yeah.
Okay. Boy. What's the code?
What?
What's the code?
Who wants?
Okay, join me if you want to do a Pokemon roleplay.
Yeah, I'll join you. I'll join you.
I want to do a role play.
I'll join you.
Okay,
What is this?
everyone, add me if you want to do a roleplay. Go to Mira
What
if
is
you want to
this?
do a roleplay.
What is this? Roblox?
Yeah, this Roblox, my boy. This Roblox.
No shit. It's not Roblox. Dipshit.
Can someone give me Can someone give me? Can you give
Okay,
me?
everyone, add me.
Hey, what? Hey, bro.
Add
Okay.
me.
Oh, what?
How are you looking?
Oh, grapple?
You want this?
Looking good, boy.
No.
This.
Oh, bro.
This.
No, I
Good,
said
boy.
umbrella.
This.
Hey,
Guys, can I show you a magic trick with this magic stick?
You want
I'm gonna
this?
show
Join me if you
Here.
want to do the roleplay.
No,
Join me if you want to do the roleplay.
Here, you can have it.
Everybody was coming.
Join me if you want to do the
roleplay.
I'll join you. I'll join you.
Okay, what's the code? What's the code? Right. What's the code?
Bro, just add me.
Alright.
I did not want.
How you looking, boy? Wait, I don't know how you look like. I could just copy your fit.
It's not even in my head.
So let me.
What are you trying to do, mister?
I'm a blue monkey with
I added you.
sunglasses. Okay, I added you too.
First of all,
Yo, let's go. Yeah, this is a role play. Yo, bro, where you at?
Guys,
you
What's
want to
up?
go get more people.
alright.
I give you these.
Guys, can I show you my magic stick? Wait, let me do a magic trick. Look at this.
Whoa.
Guys, I got a magic. Can I show you a magic trick?
Awesome firework.
Guys, look! I got a magic. Let me show you a magic trick. Akadabra!
What? I didn't do nothing. No, please, no.
Does somebody have ammo for the freaking? Well, let me just give it to him back.
Bro,
Wait, give it back. Boy, give it back.
oh, give me it back. I'll give it.
I'll
Dude,
give you.
I just wanted to give you, but like he was stealing it.
I'll give you a revolver.
Yeah, that was the right one.
How
What have
much
you
is it worth?
sold me? How much is it?
10K, what?
Let's go. Should we just go mining?
Okay, let's kill
You see
the
this?
enemy.
Mine for the.
Look.
Should we just go
Guys, follow
yarn
me.
for the mines? Egg? Why is there a freaking egg, bro?
Guys, follow me.
Oh, that explodes. My bad.
Yeah, it's just a firework.
Oh, it's a firework. Let's go mine for the mines. Let's go mine.
No, bro. No mining. Guys, come on, guys, follow me.
Let's go to the maze. You want to go to the maze? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go to the maze.
What's out, those two? We're going
I'm coming to mines.
to collect Easter eggs.
Okay, let's go.
Yo,
Let's go! I got some!
kills the
Let's go.
bunny to get Easter eggs.
Yo, let's go. Just don't explode me, no.
Run
Oh,
right
you're
to
gonna
the
explode the
end
monster,
of the
that's
maze.
gonna be good.
And
Oh, frick, I can't see.
Oh crap.
Holy bro, I never been in here. Do it again, boys.
come on, bro. Everyone here? Where are you? Okay, everyone go down.
I got scared, so I just
That was
killed
a
us.
bad idea, bro. That was a bad idea.
Oh my god.
I got scared, so I killed us both.
You also killed me, bro. It's alright. Just don't worry.
Yes. So what are you doing now?
Let me just get a
Where is
backpack.
it gonna
Okay, guys, that's it
walk right in
for
the backpack.
today's video.
Everyone, go to
See
the
ya
thing.
in the next video, guys. Bye bye.